Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. This is a really cool video about LiTime's off-grid solar power kits because this is everything you need all together. You don't have to worry about piecing everything out. And this is a 48 volt system, and the prices right now are marked down huge. Plus, you can use our promo code AdventureTech to drop the price even more. Use the links in the comments or the description if you want to get over there. Check that deal out for yourself while it lasts. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get right over there. Help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, let's take a closer look at LiTime's 48 volt off-grid solar power kits. These are awesome. You got 3.5 kilowatts, you got the 10 kilowatt and the 20 kilowatt version. This is insane. So there's actually some really big setups in here that I didn't realize. This can definitely give you reliable off-grid energy for daily living. Keep your fridge, TV, laptop, coffee maker, well pumped, lighting, running smoothly in your cabin or tiny home. And this is some serious power. Just 2 of these batteries is 10 kilowatt hours. And just 1 inverter provides 5,000 watts of output. This can be your whole home off-grid power setup, even high-load appliances like refrigerators, ovens, microwaves, dryers, well pumps, entertainment systems, and more. You can power all of that confidently with a system like this. You can run 2 of these in parallel, giving you 10,000 watts output. And this is a fully integrated off-grid power system. You can get 6 devices connected in parallel. And they got dual LCD displays for monitoring, sturdy metal casing, intelligent peak valley time control function, which is really interesting. But basically what it does is lets you save money on your power bill right away using this little trick. And you got flexible rack installation method, CAN and RS485 interface compatibility with 99% of inverters. So with 6 of these in parallel, that can give you a 30 kilowatt output. And you can get split phase output with this 240 volts. So you can build 10 kilowatt hour battery pack, 20 kilowatt hour battery pack with 4 of them. Really easy and convenient. This is really something that is just born to be in your home or tiny house, log cabin, whatever you got your remote setup off grid. With 16 of these in parallel, you got 81.9 kilowatt hours at 48 volts. That is a serious amount of power. You can run days and days and days on this. Plus, LiTime has been working hard to open compatibility with their products. This works flawlessly with 99% of inverter charger systems with smart communications for seamless compatibility. You can set it up super fast. The display screen on the battery is so easy to navigate. So the prices on these systems are pretty insane. Very cheap to have your own setup, and this is going to be great for your larger solar arrays. Don't forget, you can check out the different options down here. You got the 5, 15, and 30 kilowatt hour options, which is just so much power. Plus, use our promo code AdventureTech, drop the price even more. Use the links in the comments or the description to go check this out. Everybody else, feel free to subscribe completely for free just by clicking the subscribe button. But make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these awesome new deals.